Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to make flash powder out of barium chlorate and red phosphorus. Check this out. For this investigation, I'm using barium chlorate, red phosphorus, and a couple watch glasses. To begin, we'll measure out close to 1/2 gram of red phosphorus. Next, measure out 1/2 gram of barium chlorate. Now, since this mixture is sensitive to shock, I'm going to just very carefully pour these on top of each other, and I'm going to mix them very gently. I'm not going to grind this in a mortar pestle. I'm just going to very carefully mix that red phosphorus into the barium chlorate without putting any pressure on the mixture. I'm cutting these crystals together until I have a nice homogeneous mixture that looks like that. Okay, we're gonna deflagrate about half of this, roughly 500 milligrams, using my plasma wand in the blast shield behind me. Well, even though this was uncontained deflagration, you can see the indentation that it made. Just an amazing amount of power. Let's see what happens with just a 1/4 gram. Check this out. Whoosh! This is all that's left on the wooden block. Here's the equation for this incredible combustion reaction. We start out with reactants barium chlorate, that's BaClO3, and red phosphorus, P4. When those are carefully mixed together and activation energy is added from my plasma wand, you get the product barium phosphorus trioxide, that's BaP406, and chlorine gas, that's Cl2. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.